You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this name, this loop. It's named after a German mathematician whose name was August Ferdinand Möbius. So the correct pronunciation is Möbius. That's from German, a band, a loop, a strip. Möbius. Now in English it's sometimes pronounced as Mobius, which is correct in English as the English pronunciation. But in English you have Mobius or Möbius. In German, Möbius strip. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.